Okay, so when you, now that you have the paper in front of you, okay, what I need you to do is this. Let's try, based on what I said before, let's see if you can do the por and para for these sections right here. Okay, complete the por and para. Okay, pause the video, try to do it, and come back when you're done. Okay, now that you're back, let's go ahead and resolve these ejercicios. Okay, so the first one is yo estudio. Yo estudio. So this one is going to be what? Yo estudio por aprender o yo estudio para aprender. This one right here is the intention. You're studying with this intention, the intention of learning. So that means that this is para. Okay, so uno es para. And I'm gonna write it on the paper. It's fine. So this is para. Este regalo es, and then he says usted. So is this because of, or is this the intention? The present is intended to this person. Yes, it is intended, right? So it will be para. Ana sale, and then Brasil. See, notice that in español Brasil is with S. Mañana, la tarde, visitar a su tía. So we have to analyze this based on destination and then intention. So Ana sale, she's going through Brazil or she's going to Brazil. See, she's going to Brazil, so that will be para. That's her destination. Ana sale para Brasil mañana, and then we have la tarde. We have a duration of time. During that time, she's going to be flying. Okay, so ella sale mañana por la tarde. During that time, she's going to take off. And then, how about this one? Yes, intention. So it will be para. Yo voy al cine disfrutar de buenas películas. Again, we're talking about intention. So we say para. Now, let me stop here because as you can see, for this section, I mean, one of the reasons that por and para is on your textbook, sorry, on section 11.2, okay? One of the reasons that is there is because at this point you have learned a lot of vocabulary. You know a lot of vocab, you know a lot of tenses, you know a lot of words, you know. So por and para requires that. For you to understand, to really understand, to put por and para, we need to understand what the sentence is telling me. Okay? Now this is random vocab. This is not the same vocab that we have in the textbook, but it helps us to understand because it's very simple vocab. So, él no viaja, and he says no tener dinero. He doesn't have what? Yeah, dinero. But he says él no viaja. Is this the intention? Or is this the reason that he's not traveling? Yes, it is the reason. Since it's the reason, then it's going to be por. Él no viaja por no tener dinero. Gracias, and then ayuda. But in this case, it's kind of simple because gracias is always going to be por. You're never going to see gracias para. You're always going to say gracias por. Okay? So that's another one to know when it comes to the rules. Este mensaje es intended, right? So it will be para. Me gusta dormir during this time, during this time. So it will be what? I'm talking about duration. So we're gonna say por. See? How about if he says, I'm going to sleep, you know, me gusta dormir, o voy a dormir, and then this is the deadline that you're gonna be sleeping, you know, para la tarde, voy a dormir. It works fine because you're talking about the la tarde is the deadline. But in this case, it's the duration. You're gonna spend all that time sleeping. Gracias, and as I said before, gracias por los chocolates. Te voy a llamar. Oh, look. Te voy a llamar. Te voy a llamar por la tarde o para la tarde. Is this the duration? Or is this the deadline? Yes, it is the deadline. So you have para. Voy a llamar a hacer una reservación. So I'm calling because this is my intention. To book a reservation. Para hacer la reservación. To make a reservation. Me gusta Costa Rica, su naturaleza. Now we're talking about the reason. Or are we talking about intention? Something is intended. We're talking about the reason, right? Me gusta Costa Rica because of its nature, por su naturaleza. Okay? Just remember, if you have any questions, please email me and we can go over any questions that you may have about this. All right? Okay. I hope this is helpful. Gracias.